Dude, let's, there we go.
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, I struggled with my slow flight when I was doing the north stuff there too.
Yeah. Sorry, I have control?
You have control?
I'm sorry I wasn't able to pay full attention there.
Yeah, that's okay, that's fine.
I just want to show one demo. Not that you did anything wrong, but just as a refresher, and then we'll move on. So Hazel, never forget the Hazel.
Yeah.
Height about 3,000, good. Area, good. Security, I'm secure, you're secure. Doors are locked, bags secured. Engine, just a cross check, right? And the engine's green.
Yep.
Then look out.
Descending to 4,500, heading into, so any thing.
The Hazel, that's a make or break.
Okay.
Even if you do it without saying it, you could fail the entire flight test for it.
Yep.
Just at least say it.
Kilo Papa Lima, Cessna 210, we're at 8,500 feet on our way to Sundry. We'll be doing a survey over top of Sundry at 8,300 feet. Hey, Lindo, go to 72. Yep.
Alright, I'll just do it around here. Yep. Okay, so just gonna start at about 21 or 22, and then 22. I'll do the 100 RPM at a time from there.
Yep.
Okay, and let's say west.
And traffic advisory 1267, Aero Golf Whiskey uniform is 5 to the east across field.
100 RPM there.
At 4,500 for Innisfail.
Wait for it, and trim.
Yep.
I don't know if you used much trim, but
yep.
you did, that's good.
That was good in the trim.
Route traffic, Echo Mike Papa, just to...
Holding pretty well, I'm in the light. Push down, knowing that it's gonna, the flaps are gonna bring you up. Yep.
At 5,500 feet.
And another notch of flaps, and push down immediately, knowing that it's gonna bring you up. Carb heat, I'm gonna push it up a little bit by 100, because the carb heat also brings you down.
Yeah, brings it down 100,
yeah. Okay, now it's just paying attention to the attitude. Almost immediately, because that's what got us to descend slightly initially.
Yep.
And we can already see some of the signs there.
Yep.
There's a horn.
Near the storm, yep.
Adding power a bit.
The power's to get rid of the stall, right?
It's just to compensate for the loss of or the increased drag right now.
Yep.
So that you can maintain. Okay, and then that's it. We're in slow flight, horn, poppy controls, high nose up attitude, slow speed relative to high power.
Yep.
And then it's even slower. The slower it gets, the more power you need.
Yep. In order to maintain altitude.
Okay. Right, I want to see just one more churn. I'm just going to get us back here to west. A lot of right rudder. I got to keep up with that. Okay, you have control. Hold slow flight.
Yep.
Let's do a right-hand turn to a heading of 060 at 15 degrees. Whenever you do turns on slow flight, they'll make you do it at 15.
Okay. 3 what, sorry?
060.
060.
Yeah, we're just trying to stay away from terminal.
22 Foxtrot, Indy Alpha Hotel, and just left the gas plant doing a low-level diversion at 5,500 feet from the gas plant over to Longview, Indy Alpha Hotel.
Okay, that's good. Let's grab it. Yeah, you got good. Full power.
Full power.
Watch your altitude on recovery as well. Just don't drop. Okay. Flaps. And be careful whenever you undo the flaps. You're probably going to need to bring the nose up because it's going to want to drop us a bit. Okay, good. Now we're gonna just move on to stall. So for the Hazel, we'll just do the lookout.
Yep.
We'll go this way.
Yep.
And we'll go full power stall.
Straight west.
Caroline, Kilo Big Jack straight.
That should be good, eh?
3 to the west, 5,500 feet, we're tracking northeast.
Alright, full power stall.
Yes, please. remember, you have to enunciate the signs of the stall. That's the most important part.
Left-base traffic, this is Piper Warrior.
Airspeeds are dropping like a rock.
Yeah, you gotta keep pulling. Don't stop pulling.
10 miles
Stall horn.
northeast of this bridge.
Vibration.
Over Coaldale, direction.
And I let go.
Medicine Hat.
Good, good, good. I like that rudder input.
500 feet.
Back in. Back up to airspeed. There we go.
Alright, now let's do power off. Let's say the hazel's good. Just do it at this direction.
Okay.
Power off stall.
At 7,200. Same thing. Very slow flight. Air horn, stall horns on. Got a bit of vibration. Straight back.
No, you were already stalled.
Yep.
Okay, just push down right away. No, wait, sorry. Yeah, that's good recovery. Let's do that one more time.
Okay, what did I do wrong? I was trying to hold the stall.
Yeah, you were trying to hold it. As soon as you notice it.
The stall?
Northwest of the turbine farm at 5,500.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, as soon as you notice it is stall, right away.
Right away forward.
Yeah, don't try to hold the stall.
Okay. Back, 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 back. Air horns on. Pull back.
And carpet.
Carpet, yep.
That's good. Alright, let's see if we have enough time.
Back up 7,000.
There we got time.
Okay.
Alright, I got control.
You have control?
Thank you. Alright, so yeah, with the stall.
Yeah, I was trying to hold it.
Yeah, just try not to hold it. It's
Yep.
they're
It's
judging
stalled.
you first of all on enunciating the signs. That's
Yep.
the point of it, and then also sort of I guess your reaction time,
Yep.
noticing that it's stalled and immediately
Full forward.
recovering.
Yep, full power.
Okay, and first approach, you have control.
First approach, I have control. Let's trim it up 65, first thing right away.
Oh, nice. We got an Ontario force approach here.
126.
All trees.
Traffic in the Castor area. Cherokee, Whiskey Tango Juliet.
65.
Miles, direct
Holy crap.
to Castor.
Jesus, there's somebody right there, sir.
500 feet.
I know, I see it.
Towards Tabor.
That's the guy though. He said he didn't say he was going north.
Dual leg traffic, X-ray duty
Yeah,
for
I'll give him a call.
2,500 feet, over dual leg, northbound to Bellevue.
Holy crap. Unless we missed.
Millville area traffic up now, not Papa, is working northwest of Millville. We see traffic approximately 5,000 feet below.
Is at 8,500 feet, 10 miles to the...
Turner Valley area traffic, Seneca Golf Hotel and Whiskies over the town of Turner Valley, descending through 5,500 to
Let's just
6,000,
go
heading
back.
back to
Yeah.
Springbank.
You have control.
I have control. Okay. Sorry, that kind of threw us off.
No shit. Where the hell did he...
Millville area traffic off now, not Papa. We have traffic just northeast of Millville, under us, approximately at around 5,000 feet. What are your intentions?
Nordo.
I don't know. It must have been the same guy.
Yeah.
That was going to the plant. Maybe he's with the terminal now.
At 45 for Innisfail at 45 Gulf Whiskey Uniform.
Wow. That was freaky. He was only about 500 below us.
Yeah, because that's Millville right there.
Yeah. Are we pretty far north, maybe, or...?